Hi, I'm Brenda Chase with Tuomey TV, and today we're here at Sumter Orthopaedic Associates. Come on in while we go talk with Dr. Danny Ford. And now I'm in here with Dr. Danny Ford. Dr. Ford, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about how Sumter Orthopaedics was born.
Well, I moved to Sumter in August of 1998 and practiced orthopedics. And in 2006, I decided to start Sumter Orthopaedic Associates, where Dr. Strobel, one of my previous partners, joined me. And then over the next few months, we added additional physicians. First, we added Dr. Brandon Feitz from Indiana. And then we had Dr. Frank Couchet to join our practice in January of 2007. And then recently we had Dr. DeHall to join our practice in September of 2007.
Great. So y'all have a 5-member team ready here to serve
Correct.
all of Sumter.
Yeah, through the 5-man practice, we all specialize in different aspects of orthopedics, providing general orthopedics as well as sports medicine, spine, joint reconstruction, and all other various procedures and treatment.
Wonderful. So if someone needs knee surgery, hip surgery, broken arm, anything, y'all can handle right here.
That's correct.
That's great.
Our practice is capable of managing probably up to somewhere around 98% of the orthopedic problems that we encounter.
That is wonderful. And you do have spine capabilities?
Yes, Dr. DeHall joined us in September 2007, and he's very well trained and does an outstanding job taking care of the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine disorders.
Now, do folks need a referral if they've got an issue, or can they just call up and make an appointment?
Well, a lot of that depends on their insurance. Certain insurance require that they have a referral and others do not. So one of the first things a patient could do is to notify their primary care physician and or just call our office and say, I have a back problem and I'd like to see Dr. DeHall, and do I need a referral? And usually we can answer that question for them.
Wonderful. And I love the facility here. Y'all have a beautiful office, and I know you pride yourself on good customer service.
Yes, there's when you're taking care of a patient, I think it all starts from the phone call to make the appointment. You certainly want to have available and courteous staff to help them get their appointment. And then when they step foot in the office, we want to have somebody that has a smile on their face and greet them and get them registered in a timely and efficient manner and get them ready to come back to see the doctor. And then when they move back, they first encounter our nurse, and we certainly want them to be professional and courteous to the patient. And then that goes for us docs too. We need to be the same way. I really try to, my mom told me 2 things when I was in medical school, and I try to live by those things. And the first one was, she said, you know, she said, I want you to do 2 things for me. She said, one, she said, when you talk to patients, explain things so they understand it. She said, I cannot stand to go to a doctor and they tell me stuff on all this medical garbage and I don't know what they just said. She said, so put it in layman's terms where they understand it. And the second thing, treat them like family and you can't go wrong. So that's kind of our motto here. We try to explain things where people really understand what's going on and make decisions and provide treatment based on what we do for our own family.
Wonderful. Well, that is so great. It sounds like y'all have a great practice here, and we appreciate you spending some time with us today for Tuomey TV.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us today with Tuomey TV and our visit to Sumter Orthopaedics. Please join us again next month when we visit Dr. Todd Warwick at the Tuomey Pain Treatment Center.